I'm joined in the Smart Energy International studio today by Mr. Liu, who is the Vice President, Chief Marketing Officer of Tellhow. Welcome.
Yeah.
I noted in your keynote presentation this morning you had a very fascinating presentation to a full room. Won't you, Mr. Liu, give us the overall view of your presentation this morning?
Okay, thank you. This morning I have a presentation about to introduce, since we have more and more renewables and we have also the liberalization of the market. And in China we have big challenge and chance than before. And just last month, the biggest grid operator, China State Grid, has published their new strategy about the electricity Internet of Things. They want to combine the power device and smart meterings and pass through the different communication network channel, and then they want to also offer a platform for the information, for the data, for the device information, and also for the business data to help or to provide the different applications to help the customer to overcome the problems, and also they can provide the different products and also the solutions. Based on that point, I think not only for the Chinese local power system suppliers, but also for the foreign companies like Siemens and ABB, Schneider's, and also for the Chinese internet platform providers like Ali, Baidu, and Tencent. All of them, they have the chance to enter in the new Internet of Things market, inclusive the power system, and also for the renewables market design, also spot markets, and also 5G, edge computing, such new technology together to offer the new solutions. And they have also, of course, the new business case for the customers. That's the big change for our system, and also the change for everybody here.
Wonderful. And would you give us an example of what Tellhow is doing within the China utility context?
Tellhow is the supplier for the Chinese State Grid and Chinese South Grid for the dispatch system in energy management system side. And of course we have also the diesel generators as the energy source side, and also for the 110 and also 10 kV side for the circuit breaker equipment, and also the whole substation automations. And of course we have also different projects for the integration of the renewables, solar, and small PVs, decentralized energy source. That is our key features of a business case. And we are also the co-investor with the China South Grid together for some small and new distribution network. As the operation for that means the operation for the distribution network is also the newest business for us now.
Wonderful, and we understand that there's been a lot of disruption over the last few years with technologies. Smart technologies being introduced, AI, and of course the way we manage and filter our data. Would you give us your view on the current trends, what to look out for from Tellhow's perspective?
Yeah, we have this perspective. Actually, Tellhow was a very traditional software and also information system supplier for example, the grid operators, and also for the communications operators like China Mobile and Unicom, and so on. We are fully traditional, and since 2 or 3 years, we get to know we can also be internet. For example, we have also combined many data from different factory, and we combine to the data to the internet as a cloud-based portal to analyze the data and to provide the data to the government for check, for analyze, and so on. And more we are likely as an information transferring platform, and also for the analyze, for the storage, and also we can also develop so many applications to help our end user to improve their productivity and so on. We would say now nearly every company they are internet company. They need data. They have to use the data and also use the data to service the customers. We are also one of them. And of course, we will help the customer, and also we have to improve our information system in this age. We have to do that.
Wonderful. And obviously, you're very active in the local Chinese market.
Yeah.
Is Tellhow active in the global markets at all? And
Yeah.
if so, where?
We are also very international. We have, for example, the energy storage and also the diesel generators in Africa, in South of Asia, and also we have two Forschung Institute in Berlin and also in California. From my point of view, international means not only we import and export some products, but also we can get more idea and concept, and even for the management, learning from the other countries, from customers. For example, in the news area, we need more and more innovation inputs from our partner and also our customers. For example, for the electricity markets, because China we are open this year and the next year slowly for the spot market and even the frequency market. That means, but for this design, 2 years ago nobody can do that. We have to work with German companies, American companies together to get the idea and also to define our rules, and then we have to develop different tools for that. All of them, ABB, Siemens, or the other companies, they have already invented. They have already these tools. What we have to do is to understand it, think about it, how can we do the adaptation, not only to translate, but also to adapt the new rules and to influence the people. They have to think like this way because that is international already successful experience. That's what we have to do, not only product side, but also in thinking style, in the management area. All of this point, we have to be international. Then that we can say that is our vision. We are already the international company.
Thank you, Mr. Liu. It's been a pleasure talking to you this afternoon, and we look forward to seeing you again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.